Whether or not you're looking for a view home, you gotta check out 26961 Falling Leaf. You've got views from Saddleback Mountains to the sunsets. Definitely worth checking out on this 20,000 square foot lot here in the heart of Moulton Ranch. Let's take a look. Thank you for viewing 26961 Falling Leaf Drive. For further information or to schedule your own private showing and check out these great views, dial the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Moulton Ranch and Orange County, California.